Vaccine czar Carlito Galvez Jr. says senior citizens are set to be inoculated against the coronavirus disease starting next month. Let's get more details we have regarding this development regarding the government's vaccine rollout. Greg Gregorio will tell us more. He's reporting live from Mandaluyong. Greg, did Secretary Galvez give a hint as to which vaccine brand will be administered to senior citizens?
Riza, according to Vaccine Czar Secretary Carlito Galvez Jr., they are more likely to administer Sinovac doses to senior citizens, as according to Galvez, there are lesser adverse events from those individuals given with the Sinovac doses as compared to those given with AstraZeneca shots. However, he did not give any numbers to compare the number of adverse events recorded depending on the brand given to each individual. Riza?
Greg, how many health workers so far have been vaccinated?
Riza, according to Galvez, yesterday, 20,233 health workers have been given their first dose. This pushes the tally of the number of individuals given with first dose to more than 240,000. Riza?
Now, given this number, how many adverse events have been recorded following the vaccinations, and are these majority mild reactions only?
Yes, Riza, Galvez said there are about 5,000 adverse events recorded since the government started vaccine rollout on March 1. But Galvez highlighted that most of these are mild and common adverse events recorded during vaccination, and it includes fever. Riza?
So will vaccinations for medical frontliners continue next month while seniors start to receive their shots?
Riza, what Galvez said is that they will finish administering first dose to 1.7 million health workers, and then they will follow the inoculation to about 4 million to 9 million senior citizens. But the inoculation to these individuals for the second dose may be simultaneous, as the interval for the second dose between shots of Sinovac and AstraZeneca is different. For Sinovac, we are expecting to have a 4-week interval, while for the AstraZeneca shots, we need 3 months interval between 2 doses. Riza?
Greg, update us with the figure. How many vaccine doses is the government expecting to receive this month?
Riza, according to Galvez, we're expecting 1 million doses of Sinovac vaccines on March 28 as part of the government's procurement. But apart from this, Galvez earlier mentioned that we are also expecting 400,000 doses of Sinovac as part of the donations from China. Apart from this, we are expecting more than 900,000 doses of AstraZeneca shots from COVAX facility from either late March or early April. In total, we are expecting about 2.3 million doses of COVID-19 vaccines. Riza?
Finally, Greg, so the list has been frontline healthcare workers, then elderly, which is of course priority sector, is next in line for inoculations.
Riza, after inoculating healthcare workers and senior citizens, according to the priority list of the government in this vaccine rollout, we're expected to inoculate those people with comorbidities and then those other frontline workers, and then the indigent population before we inoculate the general population. And according to Galvez, this may start by May to June this year.